In today's video, we will calculate the ship's final drafts after shifting a weight on board. Let's solve this problem. Calculate the ship's final drafts if a cargo of 40 tons is shifted from aft, 54 meters to forward. She is presently floating in salt water, with an initial draft at forward perpendicular, 8.34 meters, aft is 8.64 meters, and the midship draft is 8.49 meters. Let's proceed with our first step, calculate the mean draft, or arithmetic mean draft, and initial trim. To calculate the mean draft, it is equal to forward draft plus aft draft divided by 2. The mean draft is 8.49 meters. To calculate the initial trim, just take the difference between the initial draft of forward and aft, subtract lesser from greater. The initial trim is 0.30 meter by the stern. In the second step, we will extract the value of LCF and moment to change trim by 1 cm, MCTC, using a ship's hydrostatic table. During examination, usually the LCF and MCTC are given, if the hydrostatic tables are not provided. In extracting the necessary values using the hydrostatic table, we need to find the ship's true mean draft. True mean draft is corrected for perpendicular correction, hull deflection such as hog or sag, and trim correction. In our scenario, the given drafts are drafts at perpendiculars, so no need to apply a perpendicular correction. If we observe, our midship's draft and arithmetic mean drafts are the same, it means no hull deformation, so no need to apply hog or sag correction. For trim correction, let's check our mean draft in the hydrostatic table. At mean draft, 8.49 meters, the LCF is 0, meaning, the location of LCF is amidships. So whether the vessel is trimmed by head or stern, trim correction is not necessary, because arithmetic mean draft is equal to the true mean draft. If you are not familiar with how to determine the true mean draft, I made a separate video about this, kindly check the link in the description below. So the moment to change trim by 1 cm in this scenario is 219.60 ton-meters. Let's proceed to our third step. Calculate the change of trim using this formula, where trimming moment is equal to weight times distance. The weight being shifted is 40 tons, with a distance of 54 meters from aft to forward. The product will be divided by moment to change trim by 1 cm. The change of trim is 9.84 centimeters, or 0.098 meter. The next step is to determine the change in drafts forward and aft due to trim. TA stands for change of draft aft due to trim, and TF is for the change of draft forward due to trim. Since the longitudinal center of flotation is amidships, we will just divide the change of trim equally to change of drafts forward and aft. By shifting the weight from aft to forward, the draft aft reduced by 4.92 centimeters, and this amount is an increase in the forward draft. Next is our final step, calculate the final drafts, and we will include the final trim. Apply the change of draft forward to the forward initial draft, and the change of draft aft to the aft initial draft. Since there is a reduce of draft aft due to shifting of weight, we will subtract the change of draft aft, and add the change of draft forward due to an increase of forward draft. The following values have been converted to meters, since the initial drafts are in meters. The final draft forward is 8.389 meters, and the final draft aft is 8.591 meters. And the final trim is 0.202 meter by the stern. But what if the longitudinal center of flotation is not amidships? Let's say the LCF is positive 1.75 meters. Remember that if the LCF is positive, the location is aft of amidships. If negative, it is forward of amidships. It means that this LCF is 1.75 meters aft of amidships. Assuming the moment to change trim by 1 centimeter remain the same, so as with the other given. So the change of trim remains the same. But the procedure in finding the change of draft aft and forward due to trim will be different. Let's assume that in our scenario, the length between perpendicular is 188 meters. If the amidship is here, the distance between midships to perpendiculars are 94 meters. If the location of LCF is 1.75 meters aft of amidships, assuming here, the distance from after perpendicular to LCF is 92.25 meters. You can calculate it by subtracting the LCF from the distance of after perpendicular to midships. So the change in draft aft due to trim is 4.83 centimeters, or 0.048 meter. 9.84 is the change of trim in centimeters. Now, to find the distance from forward perpendicular to LCF. We have distance from forward perpendicular to midships, plus the LCF. The distance is 95.75 meters. The change in draft forward due to trim is 5.01 centimeters, or 0.050 meter. The next step is to apply the change of drafts due to trim to find the final drafts. Since we shift weight from aft to forward, there will be a decrease in the aft draft, and an increase in the forward draft. The final aft draft is 8.592 meters, and the final forward draft is 8.390 meters. Now, the final trim is 0.202 meter by the stern. A few millimeters in the change of final drafts, but the final trim is the same. This is due to the factor that we used the same value of MCTC, and we have a smaller amount of weight being shifted, so the changes in the initial and final drafts are minimal. This problem involves a single weight, specifically the shifting of cargo already on board. For cases involving multiple weight problem and their impact on final drafts, I will cover that in a separate video. That's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.